Welcome to Murfreesboro Nissan. My name is Terry Byers, Service Director, and I'd like to introduce you to the #1 service department in America. If you're looking for service on your vehicle, you've come to the right place. We have a fantastic team of technicians and advisors who are ready to help you keep your car in top condition. We offer express service with no appointment necessary, loaner vehicles, and a comfortable waiting area. Did I mention that we service all makes and models? Whether it's a minor issue or a major issue, our team of experienced technicians are here to help you. We use only the highest quality parts and accessories, and our team is dedicated to providing world-class service experience. We understand that buying a car is a big investment, so we want you to make sure you get the most out of it. Why buy anywhere else? Come to Murfreesboro Nissan for all of your automotive needs and experience a difference for yourself. We look forward to seeing you soon, and welcome to the Boro Nissan family.